Good morning, folks. We are live from ErLIVE factory. Traveling is not easy nowadays, but we all want to keep going. We decided to do this webinar to keep you updated with ErLIVE production. You have probably missed some new stuff since we've been apart. I'm standing in front of a very nice machine right now. Today's plan is to give you some more information about this machine and technology beneath. You will also see some cutting demonstrations made. My name is Ersin Yıldız. I'm the sales manager in charge of the Western European market. This webinar should take around half an hour. Stay with us, it's worth it. Now, let's start with the message from ErLIVE board. Mrs. Neslihan Özkayner has something to say for you. I'll be right here after the message.
Hello and welcome to our webinar ErLIVE as a virtual show at ErLIVE manufacturing facilities. As ErLIVE, we are being prepared for the digital era. We prepared ErLIVE platform to our business partners, which will be showing product demos, webinars, trainings, online meetings, and other technical developments. ErLIVE professional team is here to support your evolving needs surrounding this time of change in order to help you to know the latest developments and trends in ErLIVE metalworking technologies. Over the coming weeks and months, ErLIVE professional team will share experiences, solutions, and innovative approach to meet your expectations of the industry. We hope you enjoy the ErLIVE webinar series and find it useful. We welcome your feedback and suggestions for future webinars you would like to see. Thank you for your interest in our virtual events.
This system right here is our flagship product, FIBERMAK Momentum Gen 5 and TowerMAK with some fancy options on. It was last year's Black Expo show when we unveiled this latest design, Generation 5. You can still have the award-winning Generation 3 outfit, no problem. We will ensure that you have the benefits of the latest upgrades. Original colors would be black and orange combination, but our customer wanted this in his custom colors. We have built this for a customer in Ireland. They wanted to match the colors with their equipment. The laser cutter is powered with an 8 kilowatt laser source. It is fitted with a very high-end cutting head, the latest one available in the market today. Automatic nozzle changer is a must-have, and this one offers 5 nozzle slots for efficient flexibility. Let's have a look at some demonstration on this machine so you can have more idea about it. Everyone is keen on faster cutting speeds. That makes sense. However, we may be limited with the power capacity. You said it right. We definitely need a good acceleration to stay on the fast lane. The standard acceleration offered on ErLIVE fiber machine is 2.5 G. Well, this beast right here has been upgraded to provide 4 G acceleration. Let's have a look at this video to help us understand the difference between 2.5 G and 4 G acceleration. The next technology I want to talk about is tower automation. We have already delivered many automation systems. This one right here is very identical to what you have seen before. It has 6 pallet changers that you can configure. On one pallet you can put 6 mil stainless plate, on another one you can put 10 mil mild steel. You know the drill. What if you want to add more pallets in the future? What if you need 2 or 4 more pallets to be stacked on your existing tower? This was not possible before, but it is possible now. In other words, this FiberMak here is future-proof. Have a look at this tower demonstration, and I will see you again by the CNC controller right over there. Let's talk about the CNC controller and the latest software on it. Our prosperity depends on our innovative technologies. We are mounting the high-end electronic components to our machines. Well, this is the tricky part. You might be puzzled by so many manufacturers in the market claiming they provide same laser source, same cutting CAD, same offline nesting software, same drivers. Hold on. The key is CNC software. Once you have the hands-on experience, then it's easy to figure out that software is essential. Software is key. Software makes the communication between these components. A good software ensures drivers, cutting aids, motors, laser source, pallet changer, nozzle changer to work in the efficient way. It's easy to be frustrated without the proper software. It may just feel like having a supermarket trolley full of these expensive electronic components. ErMAK has invested heavily in the software business, especially for this flagship laser cutter. ErMAK R&D Center is actively developing softwares and laser-related products and CNC units. We might have another webinar to showcase the technology over there and maybe give you more insight about laser diodes, AirTouch controllers, ion laser sources, and many more. In case you haven't seen it before, here is the corporate video. I will have a short break while you watch it.
What makes technology to develop is the fantasies to meet the requirements of humanity. Being an architect of future is related with the significance you put and investment you make on the creativity. Adopting the principle of being innovative in developing technology with creative thinking, ErMAK has a history of more than half a century and has been producing machines that bring life and technology together and that create value in the light of scientific data. Founded in 1965 in a small workshop with this notion and having a history full of success for half a century, ErMAK is moving towards the future confidently. With its innovative perspective of the 21st century, its investments in the fields of technology and R&D, ErMAK has succeeded to become one of the world leaders in its field today. As a leading industrial corporation, steering the sheet metal machining machinery industry with its strong R&D, producing high-quality and high-technology machines with its qualified team of 1,000 people in its modern production facilities with an area of 100,000 square meters. ErMAK continues its R&D studies for future, such as fiber laser technologies, new machine models, Industry 4.0 applications, and 3D printer machines in its R&D center with an area of 10,000 square meters. The principle of innovative technology adopted by ErMAK become the corporate culture of the company as the time passed by, implementing many major R&D projects every year in order to improve the capabilities of the machines it manufactures, to meet the market demands and to improve customer satisfaction. ErMAK creates technologies based on science with its research team of more than 100 engineers who are experts of their fields. ErMAK R&D Center, located in Turkey and certified by the Ministry of Science, Industry and Technology, implements many innovations on machinery industry by organizing a separate teamwork for each project with advisors from reputable universities. Manufacturing many products such as laser cutting machines, laser resonators, belted servo bending presses, 3D metal additive manufacturing machines that make an impressive throughout the world, ErMAK continues its R&D activities in a patent-oriented manner, continuing its investments on technology. ErMAK has produced Turkey's first laser chip and laser resonator in its R&D center, established with an investment of 40 million euros. This achievement made Turkey one of the few countries in the world capable of such production. Its competitive identity in the global market, its expertise in laser cutting machines, and its flexible solutions offered for different requirements have made ErMaksan the leader of its industry. Attending more than 50 global exhibitions, particularly FabTech, USA, ErLIVE, Germany, and MWCS, China, ErMaksan has brought its marketing, sales, and after-sales services to a global level, building these on the principle of unconditional customer satisfaction with its wide network structure abroad. ErMaksan's motivation is to achieve its future goals by making effective studies in areas such as protection and sustainability of the resources while developing the green technology of the future. We develop our technology based on science. Here, we are in ErMaksan. The future is built here.
The software here is unique for ErMaksan machines. ErMaksan engineers developed it in-house to ensure all those good quality components work together in the best efficient way. Let's have a look at the interface. Super user-friendly. Anyone who is familiar with smartphones, tablets can easily figure out how to use this. It's multi-touch screen with a solid-state disk drive, super fast hard drive, fantastic software. This is the CNC controller software unique for the machines. Well, I need to underscore that I'm not talking about the nesting software, which is also known as offline software. We give you the flexibility to choose your preferred offline nesting software. We might have suggestions for you if you want. Let's have a look what a good software can deliver using state-of-the-art hardware. Kaydırdım. Last but not the least, Industry 4.0 application. All ErMaksan FiberMak machines are ready for Industry 4.0. This is what you get as standard. Let's hear what my colleague Serhan has to say about this.
Thanks, Ersin. Hello, dear partners. This is Serhan Sanyurt, Chief of International Sales from ErMaksan Machinery Company. Today, I will introduce you our Industry 4.0 solutions to you. Now we turn to our presentation. Thank you. Dear partners, our all laser cutting machines are being supplied with Industry 4.0 platform together with the machines. And this demo version is coming together with your machines that you can implement in the field and follow the functions and performance of your machine. Here we go with the presentation. Okay. If you look to the customer key values for this Industry 4.0 application, you can reach your machine performance data anytime you like and monitor and track machine performance over the flexible, easy-to-use web interface from anywhere. Record your machine historic performance data, track your machine job and operator performance. Enable all your production line to be monitored. Retrofit your existing machines to our Industry 4.0 platform. Integrate your machine data with your MES and ERP applications. You can monitor actual machine status, overall daily and hourly equipment effectiveness values, log the job history and analyze job performance, record the machine faults, correlate with job and operators. Visualize machines on Gantt timeline analysis, see what happened and when. Record and analyze critical machine values, energy consumption, motor, drive and laser head temperatures. You can turn your machines into connected and smart machines. You can connect your machines to each other. They can get information from each other and you can follow the performances of your machines in the meantime together. How do we do this? We access the machine and production data securely using a standard method, together with the PLC, HMI, CNT connections with the gateways. We transfer the machine data to central platform easily, efficiently and reliably through the Wi-Fi. Store and categorize the machine data, serve the machine telemetry and analyze the data to the users over the cloud. You can inform the customer operation teams about the important machine warnings and errors. Inform the manufacturer service and support engineers instantly about the critical errors on the machine. Open support tickets automatically for in-warranty products. Remote machine access through secure VPN connection, fast, high quality and effective customer support. Correlate the machine data with the real-world events, such as maintenance, part replacement, product quality, etc. Machine learning and predictive maintenance for lower machine downtime and improved quality. Okay, here we see the platform screen samples as a real-time dashboard. Here you see we have many machines connect to the system, different lasers from different parts of the world, and this can be also all machines from your production line, as well as the press brakes. Here you see some of the machines are under power, running, making a job, and also doing an operation for cutting. For example, this machine is powered on, but there is no job, no operation. This machine is completely idle, and for example, this machine is operative, but it has one error, and it gives a warning message to the operator or the manager of the workshop. Here, in this real-time dashboard, we go in details for each machine, what's going on. Okay, here in this graphic, it shows which thickness of the machine cutting, what nozzle, which material, which gas used on this machine, and how many pieces are being produced. And also, furthermore, in this real-time dashboard, we can have a weekly report as well. This graphic showing for the last day, this machine is powered on, has a job, and doing a cutting with this dark blue area. Another examples for different days of the week showing the performance of your machine, also the performance of your operator working on the machine. With this platform, you can also figure out the jobs and errors of your machine. Here, for example, in this machine, we have the last 7 days jobs, and another machines, for example, error warning message to be corrected. We can also have a unique machine overview. For example, here we are seeing the percentage of the running, the percentage of the job, and the percentage of the operation. And here we see how many errors, how many warnings, and how many failures appeared during the daytime of the machine. Here we have the machine name, type, machine model, and production date, live date, and last received database. And also we can see different machines at the same time with their running, job, and cutting percentage, errors, warnings, and failures. With this Industry 4.0 platform, we are also seeing machine utilization monitoring, which is the equipment effectiveness analysis. And here we see them analyzes data of running, machine units, operation, and operating properties for the different timing of the day. When we have the timeline analysis, here on an hourly base, you can see how long your machine was on and how long it had a cutting operation and for how long it has stopped for a kind of failure. And with the machine timeline analysis, we also see them access motors overloads and also see their hourly operations. With this Industry 4.0 platform, you can have also the preventive maintenance and anomaly detection. Here we follow the motor temperatures, driver temperatures, and also the cutting head temperature trends as well. So when there is a kind of anomaly here, then you can have a warning message and also make the preventive maintenance on the machine. Here we have also machine consummation's current trend and also cutting head temperature trends. You also have the machine statistics, which you see the different numbers of different kind of things on your machine, how many of them are realized, what kind of things did on the machine, how many times nozzles changed, how many failures realized, or how many pieces being cut, how long did it take, etc. You can have all these statistics. Also, you can see the daily, weekly, or monthly job list of this machine. And also, we and you can see the machine fault analysis. Here, there are top 10 errors, and we can see the quantities of these, and also recording this, we can have the preventive maintenance on your machine for the next steps. And as a manufacturer and also as you are our dealer, you can also see the positions, locations of your machines over the maps that they are running and also being operative. We think that this is very useful for our customers and partners, and all our laser cutting machines, as said, being delivered with this Industry 4.0 demo application. It is valid for the first 3 months of the usage of the machine, and if your customers like this operation, like this platform, then we can easily activate it with remote access to be used during the warranty time of the machine. And if the customer would like to keep it and run it for future years and also yearly applications are available. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.
Well, that's it for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. We want to keep doing this about more machines, more applications, more technology. What do you want to see next? More about ErMAXan laser sources, ErMAXan AirTouch controllers, something about press brakes, another laser, maybe with tube cutting attachments, a 3D printer, yes, we build 3D metal printers, a plasma cutter, a classic CNC guillotine, why not? We are doing these webinars for you, so please feel free to ask. Alright, thank you for joining us today and see you next time.